Oh, hi. My name is Asanka, and those who are new to this channel, you are watching DIY with Asanka. I was just thinking what we can do for 30 minutes. This week I'll be showing you how to do a facelift for your car's interior. The only special thing that you'll be needing is 30 minutes of your valuable time. Let's hop into the video.
Need a screwdriver and scissors and two LED bulbs and the pedal covers. Since I'm doing excessive wheelies, as you can see my clutch pedal is unevenly worn, so does my accelerator pedal. So I'm going to put a cover for this pedal using these. Even though this was an easy fix, it took some time. This is how it looks at the end. Okay, next I will be changing the lights of this climate controller by using these two LEDs. First of all, you need to remove some panels. There are two screws hidden under this panel. As you can see, there's one, and then you should be able to remove this panel. And there are two screws hidden under here. Then you can take the entire panel of this. Keep these screws safe because we are going to reuse them again. Keep both screws together so that you won't lose them. Now what you need to do is pull this panel out. Be gentle with these plastic panels because they are fixed by small clips. If you do break one of the clips, you won't be able to fix the panel again perfectly. And you'll get access to the media player screws. You need to remove the media player screw because from this hole only will be taking the climate controller out. As I told you earlier, you need to keep the screws separately. Oh, I forgot something. Before you remove the media player, you need to take all the screenshots of the player's uh, settings, because once you remove the media player off, all the memory that it has been lost. So if you have a custom media player like mine, you need to take screenshots of them so that once you refix the media player again, you can just set up the player as it was earlier. Just wiggle it out and remove all the wires that have been connected and keep the media player safe. Take these screws off so that you can take the climate control out. All the 4 screws out, just push this panel back in so that you will be able to take it out from here. You won't be able to take the climate controller completely off, but you can just gain access to the back of it. So basically what you need to do is you need to remove the, just turn them a bit and pull it out. Now, since this is at a tight point, it's a little bit hard to do it in one hand, so turn it like this and pull it out. You need to replace this bulb. Just need to pull it off. It comes like this. Throw this away. Replace the new bulb. It just slides in here. Right. Put it back in. Gently put it back into the place like so and turn it and see whether it works. You have to put your parking lights so the same thing for the other bulb as well. As you can see, both light works now. It works with the parking light, so both of them work. Okay, it's the same procedure of the removal. Push it back in and clip it back on. And put back the screws back in. So go through your setup. It has clearly mentioned where all the ports are. So I have a reversing camera and a subwoofer, and I'll be fixing that. Okay, take the big panel and just put it in. Don't force it in, it should just fit back into place. And see whether all the clips have been fallen in place. Get the screwdriver and put the screws back in. So it fills the gap between the setup and the dashboard frame. And see whether all your lights and high beam and everything works. Okay, everything works. Even my setup is working. Now is the hardest part. Put the settings back in. As I told you earlier, since you have taken the screenshots, put the settings back in so that everything works as it was previously.
Hit that like button and click on the bell button for future cool videos like this. Hope you have enjoyed and learned something new. Hoping to see you in the next cool video.